This is the battery for the Olympus Delta Handheld XRF. Now how this battery works is it plugs up into the device, and these terminals here, they match into the terminals in the bottom of your Handheld XRF. So that's the basic principle. To look at how much charge this unit has, you just push this button here and you'll see that the LEDs light up and tell you how much juice is in the battery. Now, notice that this battery we're using came out of the field. You can see a cell sticking out here. That's not a good sign. And you can also see a piece of tape that the customer put on the bottom of this, and they're trying to hold it together. This isn't good practice. This battery needs to be recycled. Most of the time, your local home improvement store will allow you to recycle these batteries, and you can get new ones on places like alloygeek.com. This is an example of what the battery should look like if it's in good working condition. And you can see that button works the same here. And then you'll also notice that there's a tab to pull the battery back out that had been ripped off the other battery. Anyways, these are available on alloygeek.com. Thanks for watching.